friends are going on holiday all around the world.
Peppa, George, time to go to the park. We have to go now. Bye, everyone.
Oh, hi.
After the holiday.
I'm just watching some not safe for work videos. So dark in here. Like my orchid? Oh. So today I feel like we should learn how to turn on a light switch. When you're turning on a light switch, it's very important that you're ready, because there is emotion involved in the flick of a light switch. You always have to be ready. Once you are ready and you've got those arm muscles and finger muscles ready to turn on that light switch, whoa. This is unacceptable. You cannot touch a dirty light switch. Cut it! Cut it! I can't believe that dirty light switches. This is not going to be in the video. Dirty ass light switches. I can't believe this. You know, why are gloves so hard to put on, man? Damn it. There's no way I was touching that with my fingers. Must have lost your mind. Somebody done lost their mind. God damn it. Anyways. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Who makes this stuff? Cleaning on a Monday. Cleaning on a Monday. Oh, all right, we can start recording again in a second. Ugh. Okay. Let that dry and then we'll record again. Light switch is now clean. If you notice on the light switch, in this position, the word off is there, meaning there is no light. The light is currently off. If we were to flick it, trust me, the word on would be right there. But you're not gonna see it until we actually turn on the light switch. Now it's clean, you can touch it. It is a masterpiece when it's clean. We gotta thank John Holmes for this. 1884. Thank you, John Holmes. Thank you for the first light switch. I love this light switch. Look at it. Now, we're gonna turn it on. On.